What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out Hang Furniture Store in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we're here in downtown Kampot. And I need a few things for my new place, so I thought I'd come here and show you what a local furniture shop looks like. And they've got all kinds of stuff, from this wicker stuff to actual furniture to desks, cleaning stuff, and stuff made out of plastic too. So we'll take a look at what they've got and how much it costs. And the mission, what I really need is a coffee table, number one, and a desk chair, and also a laundry basket and a garbage can. And then a low priority would be like a shoe rack slash coat rack wicker thing that for my front entrance. So we might not get all of those things, but even one or two of those things would be good to get today. So you can see all these wicker things here, and see this one here with coat hooks on it? That's what I'm talking about. It goes all the way down to the floor, like a shoe rack at the bottom, and then it comes up to be like a coat rack at the top. Wow, there's so much in here, you could get lost in here. So this would be perfect for a laundry basket actually. So we've barely entered in and I've already found like two of the things I was looking for. Actually, this looks like a perfect coffee table too, right here. Circular one. I'll show you. I like that. It's like a portable barbecue here. Little plastic chairs. There's another store just beside them here, and they've got more appliances like electric grills and rice cookers and kettles and electric fans, and there's desks and wardrobes. So it seems like this whole street is where you could come for home furnishings and appliances. Even across the street over there, there's some of the same stuff. Let's see if we can find out how much these things cost here. Hi, I'm interested in a few of these things over here. Like, I like, how much is this table here? So I asked her how much they were. The small round coffee table she said was $35, and the tall shoe rack thing was $45. That's just way more than I wanted to spend. I think they're giving me foreigner prices, so I'm not buying anything there. You can buy things online and get it delivered. I have a love seat at home that was $100. That pulls out into a sofa and everything. And these wicker things, I was expecting it to be like $10 or $8, not $40. So we're walking away from here, but it's nice to see if you needed one thing, maybe not to furnish your whole place there, because as a foreigner, they're gonna maybe quote you too high. If you need a broom or a quick little basket, or something that you saw back there, then now you know where you can get it from. And there's also the appliances, and it's kind of all there in one spot in one street. It's very convenient, and when you order something, you might have to wait a week or two to get it. This way, you can walk right in, see it right before your eyes, see it, touch it, and get it immediately right away. So now we're walking through a crowded market here. This will be a cool way to end off the video. So it looks like here's where they put the garbage. It's a little bit of a wet market here. Lots of huge shrimps and crab and fish and all kinds of stuff in the market here. Hello. What I always recommend is search Facebook. In Southeast Asia, everyone uses Facebook for a lot of stuff. So if you're looking to buy something, search in Marketplace on Facebook. It's not always to get stuff used off people, because stores and merchants, they'll post things on Marketplace too that's brand new. And also on Facebook, the more that you keep searching for it, even just in the regular search bar, coffee tables for sale near me, and search for things like that, and you'll see the results. And then if you search for that about 1 or 2 or 3 days in a row, then in the upcoming few days, then anytime you open Facebook, all the ads will be all home furnishings and tailored to like stuff you've been searching for, right? So just start typing it in Facebook, search, look around, and then wait a couple days and search again, and then after a while your whole feed, every single ad will be coffee tables, you know, shoe racks, laundry bit, like everything that you would need it and looked for, there'll be ads for it everywhere. And then you just start reaching out to them. Like I say, like, hey, do you deliver to Kampot, or I'm interested in this thing and that thing, and they're usually really eager to make a sale, so they'll make it happen for you. In my opinion, that ends up being cheaper a lot of the time. It's just, as I said, you'll have to wait. You might have to wait for it to get delivered and all that, and then the risk is you can't see the quality like in person. You can't see it and touch it, so that's the only bad thing. But you could go off reviews and ask for pictures. You could ask them to even take a video, because then they might be in the warehouse and they can take a video for you of the product right up close, and then you can get a better idea than a magazine picture. So yeah, that's my advice. Sorry, I was hoping the end of this video would be us traveling back to my place with like 5 pieces of furniture and a big success story, but I also want to show you when it's the right time to walk away, you know, and don't be pressured or be put on the spot to make a quick decision when it doesn't feel right. Maybe I'm the one that's wrong, but those prices felt like it was 5 times higher, which is too much of a difference. If it was like $15 or so, 15 or 20, I might have, but 35, 40, 45, this is like way too much. Maybe another tip would be if you're going to a local shop like where we were there at Hang Furniture, you should bring a Khmer person with you who can wheel and deal and get a good bargain for you. Yeah, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.